Poe, tired of switching between apps just to test different AI chatbots? Frustrated with the limits of using only one model at a time? That's exactly the problem Poe set out to solve. Founded in 2022, Poe is a global hub that gives you instant access to the world's top AI chatbots, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, and even community-made bots. Instead of downloading multiple apps or creating separate accounts, Poe lets you interact with all of them in one place, whether you're on web, iOS, Android, Mac, or Windows. But doesn't stop there. Poe also allows anyone to build their own custom chatbot without needing to code. Creators can share their bots with millions of users, and some even monetize their work. For developers, Poe's API provides a single interface that connects to all supported models, making integrations faster and easier. Here's why Poe is gaining attention. It supports text, image, audio, and even video models. It offers both free and subscription-based access, and it works across devices seamlessly. Whether you're a student summarizing research, a business automating customer support, a creator designing interactive learning tools, or just curious about the latest AI, Poe makes it simple to compare, test, and use multiple AI systems side by side. In short, Poe removes the hassle of managing separate platforms and puts the entire AI ecosystem at your fingertips. So if you're tired of being locked into one AI tool, Poe might be the smarter way forward. Try it today and experience all your favorite chatbots in one place.